Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to talk about Filecoin. The market hit like $7.21 over the last couple of days. And you guys can see even today, the high of the market was at $7.64. Could we see the market hit $10? If so, cool. We'll just drop a price prediction and move on to the next opportunity, or kick back and let the market move in our direction. Let's talk about it, because currently, zooming out this price chart, we did a price prediction in Filecoin back here in March of this year. Haven't touched the market since then. And at that moment, we were expecting the price in Filecoin to continue to go lower. And you can see that after we did our price prediction, the market didn't go down immediately. It decided to lift ever so slightly up here past this seller's pocket, even a little bit higher than that at $10.30. But then that's when the market cratered. And we actually saw price in Filecoin go a lot lower than what we were expecting. We had ultimate TP price in Filecoin here around $6.90 at this third buyer's pocket. But you guys can see that the market decided to go a lot lower. I think the low in the market since our price prediction occurred on August the 5th, 2024. If you was able to take the bag then at that moment, 67.42%. So yeah, initially we were on the wrong side of the market, but definitely as time went on, we were on the right side of this play. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And now we are going to get rid of these buyers pockets into the market in Filecoin, because those buyers in the beginning of the year, they didn't even show up. So there's no need for us to keep these lines plotted on this chart. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this other pocket of selling right here and just move it higher to where we saw the market sell off, which is right here. Okay, so this is where those sellers are in the market in Filecoin. Here's another area, this very small area right here. Okay, that too is a pocket of selling. And now let's do the pockets of buying. So here's a buyer's pocket right here. Here's one here. Let's see what we got on 330. There's one there. Okay, so now let's get to the $10, right? Are we on our way to see the market in Filecoin run to $10? Potentially, the answer is yes. But we have to be aware of these pockets. Okay, because the reason why the answer is simply yes is because we're trending. The market is definitely bullish here in Filecoin, but at some point we will reach a top, right? Here it's on the 2. Currently, you can see that all this volume that came into the market in Filecoin has actually moved the market to a new area of price point, meaning that it has to go through maybe, some consolidation to see, okay, does the market really want to move this market to $9 to $10? Because if so, then those people who are wanting to sell here, the buyers will eliminate those people, eliminate those positions, and then continue to push the price up. Here it is on the 3. Okay, Filecoin on the 4. Here it is on the 5. Filecoin on the weekly chart, 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3. Look at the 3 weeks. Look at that. You rarely see an indication that the market is a buy on a longer term chart. So when you see one, maybe it's time to pay attention. We got one right there. And then you guys can see that the volume also is pointing higher in Filecoin. Here it is on the 5. Monthly chart. Even last month, the month of November, we got the signal that the market in Filecoin is a buy. So I do think there's at least enough momentum to allow this coin to run higher. which is why we created these 4 sellers pockets up here at the top. So I am going to predict that the market in Filecoin is still primed for higher prices. Let me do this here too, because I definitely want us to notice that. So now let me run this. So first target is going to be here at this first seller's pocket, either at the low or the high of it. At the high of this seller's pocket is $8.21, 11.92% there. Our next target is going to be this second seller's pocket, which is $8.50 on the low, or $8.70 at the high, 18.62% there. And then our third target is going to be all the way up here towards $9.25. All right, so that is it. We'll see how strong the market in the Filecoin is going to be. Because if it's really strong, these 2 sellers pockets won't impact the price at all. The market will just completely bust through those pockets of selling and run up there to that third pocket of selling at the top of the chart. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.